Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a portable level 2 charger for your Tesla. This is by EVDANCE. So inside it comes with the user manual. You have your wall mount. And then you have the cable here, a 25-foot charging cable. So going over some specs, the voltage is 240 volt AC, single phase. Current is 40 amp max. Power is 9.6 kilowatt max. The plug is the 1450. This uses the North American charging standard. Circuit breaker requirements is 50 amp. And the operating temperature is -22 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is IP66 rated with a total length of 25 feet for the cable. So looking at the information here for the charger, you can see that it has a display. We'll go over it shortly, but just to give you a brief overview, it has a 2.4 inch TFT display, adjustable function. You can adjust it from 10, 16, all the way to 40 amp. The display will measure the temperature, charging current, real-time voltage, work status, charging time, electricity consumption, and real-time power. And then you can have a display start function, 1 hour all the way to 12 hours. And the different LED functions, if it's flashing a certain color, will give you the status, whether it's charging, having some type of fault, or when it's fully charged. So here is the charging cable. You can see the 1450 type adapter. And then you have the NACS for the charging. Again, that's the North American charging standard. And you also have a button just like the Tesla plug. So this will activate the charging port. And this is 25 feet as mentioned. You have these nice straps to keep it organized. All right, so let's plug it up and see how it does. All right, I got my 220 outlet here. I have a 50 amp breaker. So basically, we're just gonna plug it in now. Okay, so I have it plugged in, and right now you can see the display, you can see the temperature, you can see the charging current, the real-time voltage, real-time power, charging time, electricity consumption, and the work status. And then it has this nice LED status light here. So let's go ahead and plug it into the car. All right, let's go ahead and plug it in. This is a Tesla Model Y, so basically just inserts just like the traditional Tesla level 2 charger. And plug it in, and you can see the green status light on the Tesla. That means it's starting to charge. So now it's plugged in, and then you can see the amps go up and the voltage. You see the temperature, the status says charging, and you have the charging time. And right now the status here is green as well, so that means it's charging. As mentioned earlier, this does have the button on the top, so just a short press here will open the charging port, and then just plug it in, and it will begin to charge once it turns green. To remove it, same thing, just a short press, and then you can remove the charging handle. Also, you can adjust the current option and the delayed start timer. So if you want to adjust the current option, just hold down the A for a few seconds. So right now it's 16 amp, 20, 24, 40, and then to 10. So depending on your environment, and you can adjust that. So the delayed start timer, same thing. You can just press it down. And adjust it accordingly. So it goes all the way from 1 to 12. So setting the delayed start timer, I put it to 1 hour, so you can see here it's starting to count down. So we'll start to charge after 1 hour, or depending on how many hours you want to choose, all the way up to 12 hours. Okay, so that's a look at the level 2 portable charger by EVDANCE. Feels solid. I like the fact that you have the front display so you can see the various measurements. Again, compatible with your Teslas, uses the North American charging standard, and you have a long 25-foot cable. So this could be an alternative if you don't want the Tesla portable charger. There is also a Wi-Fi version. At the time of this video, the Wi-Fi version was not available. So if you want that option, that is also available. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.